Okay, so hi dear Pisces, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general health, career, and finances reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the month of January 2026. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the details below. For tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass, also links are given below. So let's start. Pisces, for your health, let's see what we have. Knight of Pentacles. Okay. You guys are going to feel like things are very stuck. Things are not moving forward. Even if you are putting in the effort and energy in your health, you are doing everything right from your side. Things are not moving forward. You are not able to get the results. Something is not going to give you the instant noodles kind of results. It's going to take time. So your health is stabilizing. You are getting to the point of having a very grounded health, mature, not mature. I don't know what that is. Mature. Oh my God. You guys are going to have a very stable, sorted kind of health, and it's going to make you feel like, oh my God, things are moving very slow. But behind the scenes, things are happening. This is the story. Guidance and Knight of Wands. Don't be in any kind of rush or hurry. Don't look for instant result or instant gratification kind of things because they are not good for you for the long term. Okay, Pisces, slow and steady. When it comes to our health, slow and steady is always better than something that we are going to do overnight and get overnight results, and then the complications are so bad that you feel like you should die. It happened to me. I wanted to lose weight so badly. I used to do certain things that I should not be doing, and then I was regretting it for a long period of time. So I can assure you that instant gratification, instant results are nothing but scam, when it comes to your health. Okay, for those of you who are working for others or doing job, we have the Emperor. There is going to be some kind of authority figure who is going to acknowledge you, recognize you. They are going to maybe reward you with some kind of responsibility, a salary hike, a promotion, and or a responsibility hike is going to be there. For some of you, if you are the boss, if you are in higher positions, you guys are going to be like feeling a little bit more responsible than usual to keep everything sorted. So it's like you guys are going to be in the position of responsibility, in the position of taking responsibility of the whole clan or something. Okay, it's like feeling I should take the control and charge of my career and doing certain things and making certain kind of bold moves and choices regarding that. Guidance, Eight of Pentacles, step by step process is required here. Again, instant noodles, instant overnight success, instant things are not going to work out for you, Pisces. Things will take time. Divine timing is going to be at play here, and things will start moving forward very slowly but surely. But baby steps and inspired action. You guys have to keep on doing whatever it takes to get what you want. Slowly but surely, you will be able to get it. Not instantly, but eventually. So, for this month, you guys have to stop running for instant results, instant gratifications, quick fixes. Work on the root. For self-employed or business people, Three of Wands, you guys are going to face a little bit delays when it comes to the results that you guys are seeking for in this department of your life. The results will come eventually, but it is going to take some more time, especially if you guys are waiting for some kind of global client base or expanding your business to another level, to another cities or countries. So Pisces, your business thing is going to expand. Whatever you are planning to do, it will happen, but again, it's going to be a little bit delayed than usual. Okay, but eventually it will start happening. So Pisces, write it down somewhere. The theme for this month for you guys is slow down, and everything will happen when it is supposed to happen. Just do your thing, give your best, and leave the rest on the universe. Okay. Guidance is Two of Cups. Yes, you guys have to have a very beautiful connection between you and your business thing. You guys have to have a very solid relationship with your business thing. You guys have to understand, love what you do, and do what you love, and rest the universe is going to take care of. Okay, that's the theme here. If you're not loving what you're doing, if you're not doing what you're loving, I think that's the reason things are not moving forward. You're not liking it, you're not loving it. So try to question your soul, like whatever you're doing, is it making it happy? Is it making it feel stressed out? Are you doing it just for the sake of money or bread and butter or something? Or are you doing it out of love? If not, you have to start loving your job, loving your work, or change the work if it is possible to the to that work that you actually love to do. So love what you do what you love is a mantra for business and self-employed people for this month. For those of you who are seeking for another job, another work opportunity, whether it's business thing, whether you're a fresher or a experienced person, Five of Swords, it's going to be stressful for you guys to work for it, to find that thing that you are looking forward to have. So you guys are going to have the opportunities, but you guys will not be able to take them because you guys are not going to like them. It's going to be like, okay, it's there, but I don't want it. I want something better. So you are not going to get exactly the kind of opportunity that you're looking forward to have. It is going to create a little bit of stressful energies for you guys. I don't think so. It's going to be a very bright month for freshers or business job seekers or business people, especially new ones. It's going to be stressful. Oh my god. Guidance is the Hierophant. Okay, again, you should connect with a mentor or a guide or a healer or someone who is expert in this field that you are working in, so that you guys are going to get help, the required help that is important for you guys to grab that opportunity that you're looking forward to have. So connecting with a mentor or a guru or somebody who is expert in this field is going to help you a lot in going through this stressful phase of your life. Okay, instead of stressing over it all the time, try to connect with those people or a group of people maybe, or a mentor who is going to guide you through this, and you will be able to get the opportunity eventually. But help is required. Okay, very, very surely help is required. Okay, for your finances, we have the Five of Cups. You guys are not going to be very happy when it comes to your savings or investments. You guys are going to feel a little bit of guilt and or regret for not being able to do whatever it takes to save more money or invest more money or do the required things. It's completely fine. Instead of crying over spilled milk that we cannot do anything about, try to figure out ways to save now whatever you have, or whatever you can do from your side. Do start doing that. Okay, so you guys are going to be a little disappointed when it comes to your financial area, because you will not be able to do what you were supposed to do, and you are going to feel like, oh my god, I fucked up or messed up. Although it's not going to continue the whole month, but majorly you are going to feel this kind of energy towards your money thing. Guidance is the Queen of Cups. Okay, you fucked up, you messed up, it's okay, you are human. Okay, now whatever you have left with, try to do the right thing with that. Instead of punishing yourself, instead of continuously feeling like, oh my god, I fucked up, I messed up, what now? Try to understand that whatever happened, you cannot change it, you cannot do anything about it, to be honest with you. But you can definitely change your attitude, you can definitely change the way you are going to manage and handle things from this point onwards in your financial area. Okay, so first of all, forgive yourself, and second thing, just be in this loving and caring and compassionate energy of, okay, I learned a lesson here, I'm not going to repeat that, now I'm going to take care of it, this thing. Good for you. Thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.